subtitles ain't there. I just need to find the maid cafe, I'm asking people where. In my room I'm pulling hose, cause I bought that gaming chair. Taking Kaide to the zoo, just to see the panda bears. Foodie waifus on me and they calling me senpai. Hop on incognito and we watching some hentai. Filter out the tabs cause I like massive opie. Nutted in 2 seconds because she is so fine. Needed some spice so I nutted in the lean. Clapping all these cheeks like I'm playing tambourine. Beating up my meat, that's my daily routine. Marin Kitsugawa step on me, I'm your trampoline. Reading dojins on the daily, yeah you know we going crazy. I be stacking up my manga, yeah I got 280. Anime is what I'm craving, I'm a weeb so I ain't bathing. Figurines cost 20 bands, but you know that I'm still paying.
Ayy, El Richo on your wifers cause they trash. Looking like she's Sakura cause that chest be looking flat. Binging anime, got no time to touch grass. Family tree messed up again cause my grandma is my dad. Miyamoto just like Kirino, she's screaming. I just want a 2D girl, please I'm begging on my knees. Man I'm stuck in the friend zone, yeah we Tomodachis. And she's slobbering on my knob and she's saying funny girl senpai, yeah that ending gave me pain. Body pillows in the whip and I'm swerving through these lanes. And you know Marin bad when she wear that cosplay. I would let her smack my balls like we playing rhythm games. All these waifus dying cause they getting hit by truck coon. Can't get past one day without beating it to a cartoon. Smacking Chun-Li's ass cause we both know kung fu. Choji getting fatter every day like a balloon.
Watching hentai on the daily, yeah you already know that I failed no nut November like 40 days in a row. And Hinata looking fine, I'ma steal her from Naruto. Lana Rose got nothing on me and my 2D hoes.
Top a hentai body pillow, Chizuru, you know I got a Marin Remen 02 up on me, chillin' in the sauna. On my anime we caught up, 2D girls I got a lot of. And my waifu Mai up in my bed, she's saying
hey, where'd the beat go? Cause the subtitles ain't there. I just need to find the maid cafe, I'm asking people where. In my room I'm pulling hose cause I bought that gaming chair. Taking Kaide to the